a winter wonderland. Luckily, the car started. Oh! You think I look like Wayne Gretzky out there?
This is the beach we usually walk down to for sunset. Now there's ice fishing huts on it. Pretty crazy.
It's like everything you fear of when you have a cabin.
Trip number 5.
Water delivery.
No, they won't catch me and you.
Today is an extreme cold day. It's minus 38 with the wind chill. Here is the temperature. That is with the heat on overnight. Gotta get a fire going ASAP.
I feel pretty old school doing dishes this way. But I think that a lot of you might be wondering, why don't we winterize it? Like, allow ourselves to have water all year round and it to be warmer and all that stuff. But our plan was never really for this to be like a full-blown home. You know, along the way as we kind of change up our lives and use that as a buffer while we, you know, work remotely, travel and stuff, and it's been really good for that. You know, in the winter you're driving on a highway all the time. Even in the summer, that's a lot. So you gotta wait for the road to be plowed, you gotta clear your driveway, like, it's not easy. And we're not complaining, like, it's been sometimes it's been frustrating, sometimes it's hilarious, and most of the time it's just awesome. It's so quiet, it's so peaceful out here. I've really grown an appreciation for the winter time out here. I think it's better than the summer, personally. Like, it's so quiet, nobody's out here. And like, I've struggled, like, I've had difficulties. Like, it can be extremely frustrating trying to work without internet. You don't have cell service, you gotta drive in all the time, you can't do laundry, you can't do dishes, you can't shower, all these things. Like, it adds up. But there's a lot of pros to it as well. But maybe comment down below, like, if you have any questions about it. I know that we're not the first people to do something like this. Like, we got electricity and it's pretty cozy in here. But if you have any questions about, you know, anything, you know, comment down below. We love getting questions and comments and stuff. Like, it just makes it all worth it. We don't have a ton of subscribers or anything, but oh, it's cold. So I'm not sure why, but it seems like on the coldest day of the year, I'm gonna be making a steak, which I don't often make. So I got my meat glove on, and I'm gonna season this thing. With the wind chill, outside right now it's minus 40, so yeah. And there's no light bulb, so it's gonna be interesting.
Using your right hand. Yeah, you want to put it on this hand.
Got it on the wrong hand, folks. That could have been for nothing. How do you like
butter? I just like
a julienne?
the thicker.
Like lines or squares?
Not squares. No, it's squares.
Okay, first up, we have some steak spice from Montreal. That's a good one. Add a little bit of that. A little bit of salt. Pepper. And you. That's what Gordon Ramsay said to do.
For sure.
Everything's making weird noises.
That's wine with my ringlets and waving black hair. With the roses so red and the lilies so fair. And the myrtle so bright with the emerald hue. Pale aeronautics and eyes bright blue. I will dance, I will sing.
Beautifully cooked. Yum. How's yours? Delicious. You might be wondering, well, how do we work or make money when we don't have any internet or anything out here?
I get up super early and drive to the city 2 days a week.
3 days a week, Aurora drives into town. I used to, but now I work out here more. I just get everything before I come back out here, and then hopefully I can do my work while I'm here, and then go upload it somewhere where there's internet.
Oh, that's a chili butter.
Aurora's got her road snacks.
Some people drink coffee. I drink yop.
Luckily, the car started. We're grateful every morning that it starts. Yeah, it's like -40 out, so it started. Hopefully the wheels turn.
Last time when we came in, they had just plowed, so Adam quickly ran out and only shoveled the entrance, but we never got around to shoveling the exit part because it was too damn cold. So
Yeah.
we just have to do a little reverse out.
Yeah, back up.
We put backup cameras.
Yeah, we don't have backup cameras. Alright, my job, heat the place up. I do work for real too. It's my second job. And the nice part is if you get up early enough, the coals are still going from the night before. So it kind of gets going. You can hear it crackling a bit. As for me, I just sit here all day. Got my little heater. Headed away. I mean, you don't realize how much you use internet and data until you want to do a Google search, you want to download a file, you want to upload something, you want to send an email, like whatever it is, you need at least cell service or Wi-Fi. We have neither out here. It's been interesting.
Need a toque. Need some type of snow pant. I got my pink ones. Now from those, not from a freezing cold spot, most important thing you need to bring, some tissue, because your nose will just be dripping. Oh my god. Hold on.
She just woke up, she's gotta go outside.
Hey, I invited you if you wanted to come.
How's it feel?
I just know.
Oh, we're getting wet. While I was suiting up for our big walk, I heard Aurora say it's not too cold. And did you look with the wind chill or without the wind chill?
I never look with the wind chill.
My glasses are all bent. It's chilly, I gotta say. So we're walking backwards.
So we got maybe like 4 or 5 inches of snow.
Yeah. Overnight though.
Overnight, just overnight. At least like how much?
A mitten.
Yeah, exactly.
also thought we were gonna go for a walk in the front yard. We won't show it because it's someone else's cabin, but we were walking around the area and we noticed that a tree came down in the wind and it shattered their window and ripped the screen. So like it's like everything you fear of when you have a cabin if you're not here.
Sometimes in life, there's consequences. Not putting tinfoil down with the nachos. That's one of them. Oh, got a big bucket.
All joking aside, this pump has been huge. It was about $15 on Amazon, and it turns like a Corpel or like a big 5-gallon jug or whatever into a sink. Oh, whoa, whoa, let me see that shoulder technique that you just did there. Whoa!
I do the shoulder sometimes to kind of give it a nice rub. Just so that I'm not...
One way that we save on washing dishes is...
Don't come for us.
Yeah, don't come for us. Paper plates. We
Has
get
to be
paper.
done.
We don't get styrofoam. And in theory, they decompose.
What is the solution here, folks?
Comment down below, what is your least favorite dish to wash by hand? The cheese grater's gotta be up there.
Like, how have we not invented something more genius than this?
They did. Pre-grated cheese
Wow.
for the rich folks. The sinks, as you can see, have been closed for the season. Okay, so we had to put the lines because you'd be surprised. After a while, you kind of get used to the sink being there and you'll start pouring stuff down it. And we've already froze them once, so we have to put the X's to remind ourselves. All right, so pardon all the laundry. We did laundry in the city the other day. How do we do laundry out here? We don't. We bring it into a laundromat in the city, and then in the winter, you just put it all around the house and the humidity goes up and it dries super quickly. So that's how we do that.
It smells like blood.
You might be wondering, do we get our driveway plowed or how do we get out? Well, we shovel. And I think that today, probably gonna need to shovel.
And if you're wondering how we shower, when we go to the city, we go to the gym, get some exercise in, and just shower there. Not very glamorous.
So this is actually the first time we tried these self-filling water things. It's kind of expensive, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Got our jugs.
Today, we are, perks of my job is it kind of forces us to get out. Well, me, obviously, but Adam comes along. And so I need to get a lot of winter content because we are obviously going to be gone for most of the winter. So we're going to go get some skiing content, get some frozen lake content, trails, whatever we can find. Roads have been plowed, so, and it's a lot warmer today. It's like only -4 right now, so we're making the most of it. Come along. bottom, whatever you do. Do not fall backwards. Oh my god, and they always put this hardest spot right at the start. We're just out here for a ski. So this is the reality of skiing. Yeah, we don't have proper staff. So now he's trying to put some Kleenex in his sock to help with the rubbing. Oh my god, his sock is off. Oh god. We did it.
How far do we go?
We went 5.9 kilometers. We thought we were going 2.6, but that's okay. Sun's going down, pack up.
Head home and warm up.
Warm up.
Look at us keeners. Last one's left. And in case you're wondering why it is that we love winter out here, I just woke up. Let me show you outside. It's insane. I mean, come on. It doesn't get much better than this. It's so beautiful. Sorry, you're kind of all fogged up here because it's so wet, the snow. How nice is this color? I love it. We never get sick of it. We love it every time. And if you're wondering why Aurora's not here, right here with me, she's at work today in the city. But trust me, she'd be freaking out right now because it's a winter wonderland. I almost forgot about you. Another day, another new ski trail. This one's maybe 30 minutes north of us. These boots have been causing me grief. They're hand-me-downs. And I ripped the plastic fiberglass out of the toe so hopefully it doesn't dig in, and I duct taped it. So today's the maiden voyage on the new boot. And as for Aurora's, she's wearing a size 10 men's. So how far did we go? 4.37 kilometers. Felt a little long, I'm not gonna lie, but beautiful. I'd say top 2 places I've skied. Top 2. I don't know if it's number 1, but it's close. Beautiful ski trails, Victoria Beach, Manitoba. Boy, do we love winter though.
No one looks good putting on skates.
I said you've never been in skates. I don't know if any of you are watching this that wouldn't have been in skates before.
They're super uncomfortable.
They're super uncomfortable and they hurt your fingers to tie. Did you think I looked like Wayne Gretzky out there? Whoa! Another perk to being out here in the winter. You can go skating on the rink by yourself?
No one's around.
No one's around?
Just out for a walk. It is a little brisk, but very, very beautiful. Got lots of hoarfrost on the trees. Anyways, thanks for watching our latest vlog, and we'll catch you next time. Maybe we'll insert some clips of where we currently are. It's not freezing there. Bye! I don't think it can focus on us because we're the same color as the snow, but anyway, the whole thing, see? Just getting my sausage ready.
She wants a line.
I want.
Banana. Umlaut. I'm gonna get you like umlaut. So rock your body, baby. Where are we and what are you doing right now? Okay, I'll just tell them. The other thing is, oof, what an angle. Oh! Should loosen that before putting it on. First time at this rink for PWHL star Aurora DeBrelli.
Call this backwards snowman. Okay.
All right, day 42, no showers.
Really, every time I look back, you guys just be. How does it fit through here?